Imagine a world where you can broadcast yourself to millions from the comfort of your home. This is the story of YouTube. Founded in February 2005 by three former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Karim, YouTube started as a simple idea. Initially, it was meant to be a video dating website with the slogan, "Tune in, hook up." But fate had other plans. After the infamous Janet Jackson and Justin Timberlake halftime show incident, the founders realized the need for a video sharing platform. On April 23, 2005, the first video titled "Me at the Zoo" was uploaded, featuring co-founder Karim at the San Diego Zoo. The video sharing concept took off, and by July 2006, YouTube was serving 100 million video views per day. In November 2006, Google saw the potential and acquired YouTube for $1.65 billion, marking a new era for the platform. With Google's backing, YouTube introduced features like video HTML embedding, playlists, and a 5-star rating system. By 2007, YouTube had launched local language versions and a mobile web front end, making it accessible worldwide. The platform continued to innovate, introducing 480p videos, video analytics tools, and video annotations in 2008. In 2009, YouTube launched YouTube XL for television sets and introduced 720p and 1080p video support. The introduction of automatic speech recognition and the launch of Vivo in December 2009 further expanded YouTube's capabilities. In 2010, YouTube replaced the 5-star rating system with the Thumbs rating system and introduced 4K video support. Live streaming was introduced in April 2011, allowing users to broadcast events in real time. By 2012, YouTube had transitioned to the one-channel layout and integrated Google Plus for comments. The platform continued to evolve, introducing 60 FPS videos in 2014 and 360 videos in 2015. YouTube Red, a subscription service, was launched in November 2015, offering ad-free viewing and exclusive content. In 2017, YouTube TV was launched, providing live TV streaming, and the logo was updated to its current design. The introduction of premieres in 2018 allowed creators to debut pre-recorded videos as live events. YouTube Shorts, a feature for short-form videos, was launched in September 2020, competing with platforms like TikTok. In 2021, YouTube removed the public dislikes count to protect creators from online harassment. The platform introduced handles in October 2022, allowing channels to have memorable web addresses. In 2023, YouTube began cracking down on ad blockers, ensuring creators are rewarded for their content. By 2024, YouTube expanded its crackdown on ad blockers to third-party apps, maintaining its revenue model. In May 2024, YouTube introduced YouTube Playables, allowing users to play games directly on the platform. Throughout its history, YouTube has faced criticism over its handling of copyrighted content and recommendation algorithms. Despite challenges, YouTube remains the second most popular website in the world behind Google. With over 500 hours of content uploaded every minute, YouTube continues to be a hub for user-generated and corporate media. From its humble beginnings above a pizzeria in San Mateo, California, YouTube has grown into a global media giant. The platform's success is a testament to the vision of its founders and the power of user-generated content. As YouTube continues to innovate and adapt, it remains a vital part of the digital landscape. Stay tuned, because on YouTube, the next big thing is just a click away. Broadcast yourself. The world is watching.